I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat.
Hey guys, so we're at this castle. There's snow all around. It is so beautiful. I'll put below what this castle is called, but freaking gorgeous. Definitely worth it. I think it's only like 4 lira, so that's like nothing.
So Rize Turkey is kind of I wouldn't say it's like a super touristy, well-known part of Turkey, but it is so insanely gorgeous. There is nature all around. We stayed in this cabin that was right along the river. We were able to walk to castles, waterfalls. There was snow everywhere. I highly recommend Rize, especially, I mean, I'm sure it's beautiful in the summer as well, but even in the winter with the snow, there's so many cabins to stay at. I highly, highly recommend this area. It is so beautiful and just incredibly gorgeous, especially for it's so different than the rest of Turkey. So Pamukkale is definitely a very touristic hotspot. It was winter and snow, so there wasn't as many people, but I heard in the summer it is crazy crowded, so I suggest to get here super early, as close as to opening as possible. And then as far as your length of stay here, I made the mistake thinking that it was a place to stay for like a couple of nights, and honestly there's really not much to do here except for kind of see this, so I suggest max 1 night if that, but you can definitely do this in a day, or at least just make it a 1 night trip. It doesn't need to be a very long trip, but it is beautiful. The water was freezing cold, so we weren't able to swim in it, but I think in the summer and spring you can.
Alright, so here's my advice for the little like bath things. It's pretty crowded, and this is like during COVID and off season, so I can't even imagine when it's not off season. So I noticed like towards the top was way more people, and I was like stupidly waiting for everybody to leave, and then when I walked down there was like way less people and a lot of more open spots. So I suggest going lower and honestly just like waiting for people. I got here right when it opened and it was still crowded, so like I said, I just can't imagine if like during regular season. ultra cool. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like in reality. I don't know, it reminds me of like being back in summer camp and going to like Seaside Lagoon. If you're from California, you know what I'm talking about. And just like yucky crowded pools, but here it is. Here and I'm just sitting here obsessed with the trees. That's when you know you're a nature girl. Took my breath away, and I've even been to like the Colosseum. You guys saw like me in Rome and all these other places, and this, wow, my stupid camera strap. And the theater I've been to all these other places, and the theater really took my breath away. It's really beautiful and really magnificent, so highly recommend the theater.